Right, so today we're gonna do pepper shrimp. We wanna season it first, allow it to marinate, and then we're gonna start to fry. Well, saute. Right, so we're gonna season with some onion. Some pimento. Some whole hot pepper cut in half, because it's pepper shrimp. Chive. Garlic. Well, we're local, so you know everything has to have Chadon Beni. Sesame oil. 5 spice. Salt and black pepper. You're allowed to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we come back. Right, so now that our shrimp was allowed to marinate, we're gonna start the cooking of the pepper shrimp. We're gonna start with the sesame oil and saute some onions and garlic first. Pimento. And some ginger. We're allowed to caramelize a little first before we add the shrimp and the other ingredients. Right, now we're going to add the shrimp. Give it a stir. We add some chive. Some Chadon Beni, which is optional. I just like a little Chadon Beni in mine. Some soy sauce. Some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Bell peppers. And ketchup. We're gonna add some salt. Some black pepper. And add a little water. Give a stir, we cover, and we allow the shrimp to slowly cook.